grasp the basics of grilled fish in English. Hello, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we'll dive into a delicious topic: grilled fish. Whether you're a food enthusiast or just looking to expand your culinary vocabulary, this video will ensure you understand not just the phrase, but also its use in English conversation. So, let's get started. Grilled fish refers to any type of fish that has been cooked over direct heat, usually on a metal grate. Grilling is a popular cooking method that imparts a distinctive charred flavor to the fish, which is often marinated or seasoned with herbs and spices before cooking. Grilled fish isn't just a meal, it's a culinary tradition in many cultures. From the Japanese robata to the Mediterranean branzino, grilling fish is a global practice that brings people together. It's a healthy, flavorful way to enjoy seafood that highlights the fish's natural flavors. Now let's use grilled fish in a few sentences. For dinner, I'm having grilled fish with a side of rice. Do you prefer grilled fish or fried fish? One of the best ways to enjoy salmon is to have it grilled. Grilled fish can vary widely, and so does the vocabulary around it. You might hear about grilled salmon, barbecued shrimp, or charred tuna. Each term gives a clue about the type of fish and the specific grilling technique used. And that wraps up our delicious journey through grilled fish in English. I hope this video has been informative and that you're now more comfortable discussing various cooking methods in English. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be fluent in all sorts of culinary terms. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!